Hi, I'm Angela at Fine and Country, and you join me today at Pool Meadow in the sought-after village of Claverdon, conveniently close to the nearby towns of Warwick, Leamington Spa, Henley and Arden and Stratford upon Avon. This lovely detached 5-bed family home is in the centre of the village, close to local amenities, including the train station, with links to London Marylebone and Birmingham and direct trains to Stratford upon Avon and Warwick. The property is also within walking distance to the local primary school. To the rear of the property is a well-maintained private garden with a terrace seating area. A detached double garage offers the potential to create a studio or office overlooking the garden, which adds to its appeal. So follow me and let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this wonderful family home. If you would like any further information or would like to arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.